You want to...
Sa bawat araw na dumarating, piliin natin maging masaya. Maraming hamon ang buhay, pero tayo ang may kapangyarihang magbigay kulay sa bawat sandali. Tandaan, kahit simpleng bagay, pwedeng magdala ng ngiti. Kaya i-enjoy natin ang bawat sandali.
Morning everyone. So, I found a new one. So, this is creamy cat treats chicken with goat milk. So, I will try for only. And this is kind of expensive because for what you call that, 4 of this, it's 110. So, when this one, I bought this one, it's only 15 pieces for 90 in Shopee. So I will try to make her eat this one. So this one is waiting. So let's try this. What? Dari na. So this is, guys, she like it. He like this one, the gold one. Dito, sit down. We will give the 4 of this is 100 something. So I cannot afford to buy 100, but sometimes I need to give him a yummy treat. Sit down. Sit ba, sit. Pakita po no himong kuan. So it's different, guys. This is different. Goat milk. Chicken. He love chicken and pork. Oh, look at. Oh my god. Sit down. Sit down. So we are in second batch. Patay. What if he don't eat this one no more? It's a big problem. This cat, guys, is really good boy. It's my first time to have a cat like this. What do you call that? He's sleeping with us. Yeah. Sometimes I let him out but what do you call that? I'm scared because if I lost this one, two person will be get mad. So you eat two and a three give to put cheese some. Okay. Most of the plastic you like to eat. Enough, no? Another one, another two. So this 144 is 100. Wait. So I have planned every 1 month when we get money, I will buy like this. So they have a vitamins also. It's calcium phosphate, strong bones. So that's the good. That's what you call that for vitamins. I am done so kambing. So I don't know what is the what you call that. Then after he will eat, guys, he will go to sleep. Hi, say hello. So even though he sleep with us, me and Sahira, I already take him a bath, and then we have wipes. We give him a take a wipes shower. Yummy. Very kaluoy. Here, come on. So I feed him first, so he's not bothering me for what I'm doing. Okay. So let's 4 of this for 100. It's okay. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. You want more? Look at guys. When he's eating, he just closes his eyes. So this is our update of our cat. The adopted cat. But spoiled. You know what? We have sardines. This morning I opened because I thought he will eat, but not. So time to time, I try to give a different one, but you know. He's not only a cat, guys. He's also my baby. Because the love, when I'm lie down and he just what you call that to me, oh my God. And he want me to relax every afternoon because he will cry and cry and cry. Yummy? Say hello. Hi, everyone. Then you go to sleep. You need to no meow meow because daddy is sleeping. Then after this, I will put in room of Sahira. I turn on the electric fan and he will sleep. Say hello. Hi. So this one, guys, is the hair tie. I put that one there because I want is what you call that. You're done. So before I have a cat, but it's not like this. It's not a house cat. It's outside cat. Oh, you say thank you. Kiss mommy. No? Bye. So that's it. Our video for today is about giving the creamy cat treat with goat milk for the first time. Then it is 110 for 4 pieces. So I'm not always giving like this to him because it's kind of expensive, but I will order like this again, different chicken and beef or pork. So bye bye and thank you so much for watching my video. This is Mommy May Hokokera from Dumaguete. So enjoy guys and have a wonderful day. Bye.
Thank you.
Sa bawat araw na dumarating, piliin nating maging masaya. Maraming hamon ang buhay, pero tayo ang may kapangyarihang magbigay kulay sa bawat sandali. Tandaan, kahit simpleng bagay, pwedeng magdala ng ngiti. Kaya i-enjoy natin ang bawat sandali. Magpasalamat at patuloy na magpakatatag. Lagi nating isaisip, happiness is a choice. Let's choose to be happy. Walang take two sa buhay, kaya piliin mong maging